Morning, guys. I am having a very, very lovely morning today. I have breakfast with my friends. Except I'm very early because I wake up like 4 o'clock. And yo, my mom also calls so early in the morning. She calls so like, I don't even know why you have to write my like. It's from Shein. I bought it on Shein. It's on Shein, babes. Dress from Shein. Careful because it is see-through, so you have to wear something underneath. You know, so if you want to protect your look, you must wear something underneath. I'm debating on wearing a necklace today, but I don't feel like wearing a necklace today. And I definitely won't. Is this an apartment or what? A house? It's a male dog. How old are you? Looking nice. Thank you. I am 24. I'm turning 25th on the 4th of January, guys. I am not young. I am a wasted potential. But I'm also thinking of wearing glasses, but I'm also thinking of not wearing glasses. Always looking for plugs. AI girls. Ukomanini we mama. Anati. Turning 25. Okay, my mistake. You should make a baby. I do not want babies. I don't think there's anybody who wants babies. I don't think there's anybody who wants to make babies. But there are people who want to have kids. I don't think I'm one of those people. But good morning, guys. I don't want babies, never will, shame. Miss me, Swatihan. Yes, that's the spirit. No babies. You shouldn't have babies. I don't know why people want to have babies. Do not have babies. Do not have babies. I'm gonna get something. I wanna wipe this. Hey Blue, long time. I think you have not been on the live, but I've been on the live, and I've been live a few days ago. So you must have missed. You must have missed me a few times, I guess. Dlamini, no babies, Ganjan. I don't want babies, Pubesi. I know you know. I close at work. I'm tired but really ready to rock. Guys, for those who close work, guys, congratulations. It is, I mean, the month of fun. You must be careful though because I know you guys like alcohol. Sabona mama, ugahle kodwa themba lami. Ngigahle monke isithando sami ngiyabonga. I like your watch. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Kanjani manje? I like kids are just not a thing, guys. I don't know. Like people who want kids, they should give birth, guys. No, 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 no. I don't want kids. Nah, I don't. I'm not even. There is no amount of money and talking that will talk me into having a baby. I don't care. I don't care. I don't mind a boyfriend or a husband that has kids already. That's fine. I know how to stay in my lane. And just because people have kids, I don't mind. Yes, it's hard to date a baby daddy these days. It's very, very hard, guys. But it doesn't mean that when it goes south with him, there's no other person you can love. Guys, yes, there's no future with a baby daddy, but I mean, if there is a future, but then I don't know. I recorded this. I will produce as proof. I don't mind. I don't mind. You guys, hey. There's time for baby days. You will see them. They will be posting their baby mothers on Mother's Day. Don't be hurt. I need to when you're not the mother. So don't be hurt when you see baby father posting their baby mama. Don't be hurt. Just mize. Hey, me, I'm good at mizing. Yo, I will mize. But I'll still love you. I mean, love. Love. I love love. I love love, guys. I love love. Me, I will love till I love love. I'd rather jump a baby daddy. Sis. Hey, you girls don't want baby daddies. I know it's hard, but like you ladies don't want baby daddies nowadays. What are you guys going to do? What are you guys going to do, to be honest? Because everybody has babies out there. But honestly, it would be very bad for a woman to date, a woman who has no kids to date a guy with a kid, you know. But also you must stay in your lane, because those people, they will never break up, you know. Those people will never break up. You just have to always be open to have your exit. They love their baby mamas down. Oh yeah, they do. I would love my baby mama too. I mean, I would. And especially when they talk nonsense of their baby mamas, just know that guy loves their baby mama. Loves her so much. Good morning. I don't know about these classes today. I don't feel like I want to wear glasses today. I'll change my mind. Sakile Bambe. So this is my outfit for today. You're looking cute this morning. Hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my darling. Lunch on me, if I may. Can I see your slides? It's just flippers for the house. Right now, I'm not gonna be wearing slides. I think I'm gonna be wearing a little bit of a heel. Where are you going? I'm seeing my friends and family this morning. We're always together. Because now it's also December, I'm most likely to be with my friends in my house, my home. I will cook for them sometimes, and yeah, I love hanging out with my family and friends, guys. So, are you Zulu? I am not Zulu. I am from Eswatini, so I'm Swati. I was born and bred in Eswatini. Ma'am, you cook? Yes, yes. My stepmom taught me how to cook. Thought she hated me, but I don't think I would have been able to cook today if it wasn't for her. Yeah, she taught me how to cook. You guys, this hair, I don't know. Just cook for me. Hi, by the way. Hi. What do you do? I paid my way through life. Are you single? I am not single. I am not single, guys. I don't. Is there anybody who's single now in December? I don't know, but I'm not single. You know, I don't think I would be single. I'm not gonna. After what you just said, I'm not gonna come after what you just said. I'm trying to come to Eswatini. I don't know what you're trying to say. Are you married? I am not married. I am, and I'm not interested. Futi. Do I have a baby? No. I do not have a child. I will not have a child. My breasts are still standing. I will never have a child. Can I be a driver for the day? Luckily today I do have a car, so. Morning, my future wife. Morning, Joe Eno. Good single Lanjana. Thank you so much, Miss Horton. Thank you so much. Some breasts are not standing though, heavy, but you don't show us that you're busy, and people are secretive out there. You guys are secretive. Like, there's a lot of people who are secretive. You know, if someone here can say that they are single, but they are not. Someone can be single, guys, but they have a lot of people who they are talking to on the phone. Hey, gorgeous Uguping. Eswatini. I'm a Swazi. I stay in Swaziland, in Eswatini. Wow. And I grew up here. I was born and bred here. Why are you not on Instagram? For peace of mind. I'll just end it there. But I love you. You'll regret giving me a chance. I will regret giving you a chance. I will not regret not giving you a chance. Word of advice for a girl who just turned 20. Do not have a child. Do not give any man a child. Go study. Do not give anybody a child. Do not give anybody a child. Do not give anybody a child. Do not get married. You live in Baba and I live in Eswatini. Going to Eswatini first time this weekend. Oh, that's nice. See you in Switzerland. What about me turning 24? Any advice? Do not have a child. 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 You must not get birth or give birth. You just not have a child. Do not have a child. Do not have a child. Do not have a child. If you are childless, stay childless. No little blue-eyed Vivele. No. I love other people's kids, but I know that I'm not taking them home with me. Do not have a child. Do not have a child. And that's also an advice for men. You must not have. Do you know how hard it is to get a woman pregnant, and that woman you hate the next morning? No, guys, no. You guys too. I know it's so hard. Like, there's some people. It's not only just men being evil and getting women pregnant. The women too. You give a woman a baby, a terrible woman. You can't even go to work because your tires are slashed outside. You guys also choose the wrong baby mamas. You guys also choose the wrong baby mamas. It's not only about the woman that shouldn't have kids. You guys too shouldn't get anybody pregnant. Who hurt you? Not you. Not you. Because I'm not her. I'm not giving people advice. Guys, do not have kids. Do not have kids. We can't say the fathers are the problems and stuff, but also give you guys have babies with mothers that are crazy, that are absolutely crazy. Should a girl wait for marriage in terms of sexual intimacy? I think anybody does whatever they want when it comes to that, because I don't know what advice I could give about that. They say that wait until marriage. That's what they used to say. I don't know what they say right now. I can't give you an advice over that. I've got a responsible young brother that could convince you otherwise, Blue. As I'm saying, nobody can convince me with anything in the world that I should have a kid. It does not benefit women. It will never benefit women. Having a kid will just set you back. But if having a kid is what you want, then that's what you want. I can tell you grew up with boys mentality. I grew up with boys. All my family members are boys. I've got 2 friends that are ladies. I mean 3. But yeah, having a child when you're struggling with the means of living, then it ain't worth it. That's even where the point is. But also giving birth to a child and then the parents are separate, that will not give the child a proper future, because the child should grow up in one roof with 2 parents. We can say a lot of things about it, but we all know that a child, when there's only one parent involved, like a single parent, that child will miss a certain situation with the child will miss a certain situation or a part of her or his childhood if the other parent is missing. Did you go to uni? No, I just stayed home. What did it take for me to put a ring on it? I don't want a ring, guys. I've never wanted a ring. If I will regret it in the future and you say, yeah, you will be lonely, you will regret it, okay, it's fine. Let me regret it. Let me regret it. Let me suffer in the streets begging you guys for food. Let me suffer in the streets with no child. And if that's how it's supposed to be, I will leave it there. I will leave it there. People say, oh, you're going to regret having a child. No, I'm not. The government will bury me. If I don't have kids, that will bury me. The government will bury me. That's why we're working. That's why we have a 24/7 life. We are working so that we have a future for ourselves. I'm not working to have a future with anybody else except myself. Hi, boy, you don't want to be a wife or a mother. I do not want to be a mother. I do not want to be a wife. If I decide that I want to one day, that will also be a change of ideas. But for now, I really don't think so. I don't see it benefit anybody. Anybody who's been married that I know has been cheated on and is still being cheated on. Anybody that I know who's been married has been cheating or cheated on. Is this some sort of trauma talking? Maybe. I know you want to say something that will try and emotionally hurt me, but I'm totally covered over that. Like, you can say anything that you want to say. There's no way you're going to get a reaction out of me. I am dating. You know, people, they have these mentality that they will insult you and then they think it's going to sit now. I must have a horrible day because you said I'm fat and ugly. No, if you said it's trauma, I will not, because it's just you sitting on that side and there's nothing you can do about it. You understand? Because you have your own opinion and I have my own opinion and you're here watching me, and that's just it. You know, you can say a lot of things about a person. It's just you, man. It's just you who's saying it. Don't people still cheat when you're dating? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter when you're dating, because I can still leave you. And even in marriage I can leave you, but in marriage in marriage it's just a little bit of a long process, especially when there's kids involved. Now you like you are married to this person and they cheat on you and then you have to leave. Mm? It's a long process when there's kids involved, and you like there's nothing as scary as divorce. There's nothing as scary as divorce, especially when there's kids involved, because you want your kids to grow up in one same home. Yeah, but you shouldn't put people's problems on yourself, sweetheart. Of course, yeah, that you're right. That you're right. That you're right. We cannot put other people's problems on ourselves. If a person decides that they want to make a mistake, and that's their mistake. I want to have kids, but I don't want to get married. I don't think any woman should actually accept that. But if you are a woman and you want to have kids and you don't want to get married, I totally understand. You can have a kid. Some people do value kids because like some other people they hate it when you say it that way. I don't want to now suffer because I'm in love with you. You know, we should have an agreement that I love you and you love me and we're together and we'll just be together. Why must we have a contract? Why must we now have kids? I mean, we love each other, it's about us, it isn't about someone else. Some people will argue that and say, yeah, you're selfish. I will take that with a pinch of salt and I will walk with it and I will be very confident with that, you know. I think we should just love each other. I know you will be old and you'll be old and no one will want you when you're old and in your 30s. I don't want anybody to want me when I'm old. In my 30s, I'm going to be working. I'm going to be in parliament fighting for the economy. Why do I now want to get... If I want to do anything, I'll do anything with anybody. The one thing that's easy to get in this life is men. It doesn't matter how old you are as a woman. You understand? You understand? So if I'm 30 and I'm wasted and I'm old and I'm expired, that's fine. All I'm saying is, the one thing that's easy to get in this life is a man. Whether you're in a 30s or what, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. If I'm going to regret not being married in my 30s, I'll probably regret it. Yeah, probably in my house. So... Hey Blue, good to see you. Is this Chris that I know? Chris Lee. Is it you? Is it true liver dry when you're above 30? I don't know, I've never been 30. I'm still headed for my... I won't even be 30 in the next 5 years. You'll be here living, carrying your baby. We'll still be gifting you a car. It's a trap. It's a trap. It's a trap. Getting a man is cool, but keeping it is not one. I'm not trying. Nobody wants to keep that. Do you want? Who wants to? Nobody wants to keep that. No, I promise you, nobody wants to keep that. Nobody wants to keep that. As a dude with younger sisters, I support this mentality. Women have given their lives. Hey, there's someone who says keeping a man is not a joke. Hey, nobody wants to keep that thing. It's not easy to find a man when you're experienced. I bet you it is 100%. You wouldn't even marry King Mzansi. Why are we even going there now? Why do people feel the need to do that? King Mzansi is a Dlamini, I'm a Dlamini. So King Mzansi doesn't just go for anybody. King Mzansi chooses the woman that he likes. You straight though? Yes, I am. Are you saying you don't have a man in your life? I didn't say that. I do have a man in my life. I have my dad. I have my brothers. Where are you going? I'm going for fun. I think there's some I was getting a confirmation to what I've requested. I requested an appointment today, so I'm gonna call my friend. So guys, what's for the weekend? It was a weekend. No, what's for December? 100.
Hi.
Yeah. But at 2 o'clock. The appointment is at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done then up on.
Okay, no problem. But I'll let you know too, because I'm going for breakfast right now.
Oh, I'm on.
I'll tell you later. I'm on live.
Okay.
Yeah, we are.
Right.
Okay, sure.
Sure.
Let's go to the beach. Stand the sun. I don't. So we don't have a beach. You have 2 phones. I actually have 3. The other one is in the other room. That's where my mom and my dad contact me. So I separate my things. I feel like you deserve love, that burst of attention and affection. I think everybody deserves that. But thank you so much, Big ZA. I think everybody deserves that. Mama looking thicker. You think I'm thicker? I've been actually starving myself. So if you think I'm looking thicker, Mboso, then I have to continue starving myself. Because I've been starving myself. And guys, this thing of starving yourself is actually not a joke. Like, I need to continue starving myself. I've been starving myself. And it has been working. But now that they think that I'm actually getting thicker, I don't understand. I thought I was hoping that I lose weight. Starving yourself, why you're perfect? No, I don't like. So you see these kind of things that people have here, like these meats that is here, like here, like right here, like you see this. This is what I'm worried about. I don't like. I hate any bits of fat on me, so I don't really like being fat. No, I don't mind. I don't want to. I'm alone today, so I don't have anybody here. Yo, guys, nobody's a problem like my little brother. This guy just texted me and he told me that he wants money. He wants to go cut his hair, and that also he wants to do his nails. He wants to put that gel thing here. He's a guy. He's going to Form 2. That's great. That's great. Is it 8? Send money to the guy. I did. I actually did. He says he wants to go cut his hair. He wants to pay. Hey guys, no, he's 13-year-olds. People. He's like 13. It's crazy. Hell, not nails. I'm telling you. And you know what, one thing is worrying me? I feel like I should just pick him up and drop him so that I see what he did in his hair. Because I don't know what he's going to do in his hair. I don't know what he's going to do in his hair. Let the kid leave, it's December. Oh, come on. Them rich Lamati Queen. Ngiyabonga Nkosi. I wish ngakunanatela manje angade sinanatela sakho ukuthi ngibani. I don't know Lamati Queen, but I think it's nanatela sakho nawe leso. Ngiyabonga Lamati Queen. Ngambule. Thiwa Msuthu. Hey, angathi Msuthu. Nkambule. Debe Suthu Nkambule. Suthu, yeah. To a Suthu because if I have a friend to Debe Suthu Nkambule. Because I don't know if I'm correct with this or not, but like yeah, I'm hoping I'm correct. Hello, good morning, pretty lady. Good morning, darling. And the music isn't your selection, it is always my selection. I stay alone, so this is what I am, this is who I am. Yes, iyaphila inkosi yethu Shem, iyaphila. Siyabonga. Thank you so much. You always dressed up all year. Thank you. Hi, Katie. Okay, you're rare breed, Miss Blue, and a Kaurata. Nafela Gaurata as well. I hope I said that correct. Wait, the Gaurata as well. But I wanted to say the whole thing in that language. Not Gaurata as well. You are your father's daughter, I won't lie. Thank you. You did, I did. Okay, I guess I'm not too far from learning then. Is your real name Blue? Well, yeah, it is a little bit. Thanks for the roses. I'm getting gifts, guys. Thank you so much for the roses. And a slice of cake. Okay, guys. You know, at 9 o'clock, I'm gonna love and leave you guys. Well, I've been live, I think, more than 45 minutes now. We did say hi. We did have a little bit of an argument, so it's not a bad day after all. We did our part. We should keep in touch. Favorite city in SA has to be Sandton and Kempton Park. Is it not here? I don't even know what I'm saying, my brother. Has to be. Do you drive? Yeah, I don't. Girl who's 24 who can't drive. I've been trying to call my friend and she's not available. Let's do lunch in Cape Town. Nah, I like lunch at home. Do you have a BF? I have a man partner, not a boyfriend. I must call you instead. I definitely will if I had your number. I would really love to. I was trying today to press my hair, I failed completely because I feel like doing it on my own. I'm not able to get the spots and stuff. That's a man. I have a man. I don't know. I don't know how you're gonna take that, but I have that. When are you coming? In a few days, Kathy. In a few days, I will be there. Kathy, you know you actually have a nice name. Like, that's a nice name. Kathy is a nice name. Kathy is just a nice name. I keep thinking about it. I'm coming in a few days. I will be there. Cause you know this is not an install. This is like the 5x5, you know, so it's not an install. But Kathy, I'll be there. I'll be there soon. I'm from Eswatini, guys. Ngatalelwa Eswatini mina ngakhulela lana. Ngatalelwa nabatali bami bobabili bamaswati. Baba oluswati nami oluswati bobabili bamnyama. Okay guys, I will love and leave you guys. It is 9 o'clock right now, so I did say that I will love and leave you guys at 9. Blue, do you have politicians in Swaziland? Do we? It's like we do because is it like MPs? Yeah, we do. Do you ever come to Durban? Yes, I drive to Durban all the time. Yeah, I drive to Durban all the time. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining my live. We'll catch up some other time, and maybe on the weekend when I have my friends over for you guys to say hi. Oh, I have a pimple right here, and I thought I hid it perfectly, guys. It's still visible. It's still here. Oh my god, that is so sad. Hi baby.